in the team where I was, I think the team sort of wanted to have me stay there, but then didn't have FTE, and that's like in a bank, it takes time. And then you may go back, and then they promise that maybe you come back to London again at some point, but I was a little impatient, I guess.
There's no guarantee on the headcount being allocated there or whatnot. So tell me a little bit about how that interview process started when you were in London. Obviously, I assume you started looking because when you started getting that news.
Yeah, I started looking, and honestly, just sort of the old-fashioned, you put your CV on eFinancial Careers, and I got a call from a headhunter and arranged me an interview, and it went, pretty much within 2-3 weeks, I got the offer. So It was very, very quick and very smooth.
Great. And so tell me a little bit about what you were doing at this. This is a larger bank, right, in London?
Yes, it's another commercial bank, but when I joined them, so the area, the leverage finance, high yield, they were quite building up and growing the team. So it was the right time to sort of join them.